everyone, welcome back to 3 Kids in a Home. I am Tiffany, and today we are getting some cleaning done, mainly in some of our bathrooms as we prepare for our cookie decorating that we are going to be doing tonight. I mainly focus on 2 out of the 4 bathrooms in our home today. My guest bathroom and my girls' bathroom are the main bathrooms that guests use when they do come over to our home, so I just want to make sure that they are nice and clean. If you are visiting my channel for the first time, hi and welcome. My name is Tiffany, and on this channel I do home decor cleaning, DIY, organization with a little bit of lifestyle sprinkled here and there. My husband and I have been married for 13 years and we share 3 young children ages 10, 8, and 3. We also have a dog, so while we like to keep our home beautiful, we also like to make sure that it is livable and enjoyable. So if you like what you see today, make sure you check out some of my other videos and hit that like and subscribe button. I'd love to have you here. And for those of you who are coming back with me again, thank you all so much for joining me again today. And I hope everyone's holidays is going very well. And if you are experiencing any sort of trials and tribulations this holiday season, I just pray that you find the comfort and strength that you need to make it through. Here in our guest bathroom and also our girls' bathroom, the spaces still have the basic builder grade fixture. We have not done anything in these spaces except for just paint and add a little bit of decor. So this is on my to-do list to get done. I don't want to do anything like completely all out. Only thing I want to do in here is just paint the cabinets and change out some of the main fixtures and maybe add some tile work in this space. And that's one of the things when it comes to making your home your own personal space. You don't have to rush and get everything done all at once. I know a lot of times when we're looking at like media, it seems like they just went and did everything all at one time, but that is not the case at all. Your style changes over time, your budget and what your money is designated to changes over time. And so you really can just take your time and just focus on one area at a time as you see fit. I'm going to add a few Christmas touches here in this space. I'm not really big on doing seasonal decorating in the bathrooms, so I'm keeping it very light and simple. If you watched my Christmas videos last year, you may recognize this Christmas Village house. It's a soap dispenser. I use it in the kitchen. I believe I got it from Marshall's a few years ago, so I'm just going to go ahead and break that back out for this space. So that is going to be everything that I'm adding for a Christmas touch in this bathroom. I'm going to go ahead and just clean up this bathtub here. We do have guests coming to stay with us for Christmas. So again, I just want to make sure that everything is clean and prepared for them. Off camera, I did go ahead and switch out my regular shower curtain for these window curtains that I had previously used in my guest bedroom. I've been wanting to try this look for a while, and I do like the look. I may end up tying it back to see what that looks like. There is a shower liner that's on a second rod behind it. One of the things that we are definitely guilty of delaying in this home is changing out our light bulbs once they burn out, especially if there are other light bulbs in the space to be able to light up the space. So as we're preparing for guests for the Christmas, I just want to make sure that we go ahead and get all of those changed out. This border that you see going around my girl's mirror was a Dollar Tree hack that I tried a few years ago. I just went to Dollar Tree and grabbed a blinged out strip of border and cut it in pieces and applied it to their mirror. It gave the space a whole new look for only a few dollars. My 8-year-old daughter actually does a wonderful job with keeping her bathroom clean. I mainly just come through for disinfecting purposes and cleaning up the minor details. I mentioned earlier that the guest bathroom and my girl's bathroom gets used a lot when guests come over. Well, just to clarify that, the guest bathroom is the main one that does get used when we're hosting like parties and things like that. This bathroom is only used secondary for like kids. So there's kids up here playing with them all the time when we're hosting, and so the kids come in here and use their bathroom. Alright, y'all see this? This is the kind of stuff that does not normally get shown. Yes, the toilet seat is missing. It had broken off just a few days prior to me filming this, so I'm about to go ahead and get that fixed right now. This toilet seat supposedly never comes loose. I found it at Target, so hopefully this will stay on here and I don't have to worry about it. I do like to go through in my home with a Lysol wipe and just wipe down like all of the light switches and doorknobs and things. Those are just some of the things that get touched the most and can pick up the most germs that a lot of times gets overlooked.
Reindeer's coming out to play. Santa Claus is packing the presents.
I am going to go ahead and take her shower curtain down and just give it a wash. I like to do this pretty regularly with the shower curtains in our home.
The snowman's dusting off his hat, putting on the show for everybody, to give them a smile that lasts another year. There's something that happens when
the bathrooms are all clean, so my daughter and I are now ready to start baking for our cookie decorating that we're going to be doing with some family members later this evening. And we've got our made from scratch ingredients on hand, but we're also going to be giving this sugar cookie mix a try this year. So my daughter had such an amazing time. She did mostly everything herself, down from preparing the ingredients to mixing them to cutting them and then putting them on the pan. She did such an excellent job. I will say that I will not be using the sugar cookie mix again, and I will just make everything from scratch as we've always done, because I found that the sugar cookie mix did not really hold the shapes of the cutouts as well as making it from scratch does. So this is our last year using it.
So all your secret dreams can come true.
But that is going to be everything for today's video, you all. The kids really enjoyed themselves. They made such a mess and had such a fun time decorating. But come back tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 12, which will be my final post for the year. I hope everyone has a wonderful evening. I will see you all next time. Be blessed.